Trying to use your camera on Firefox, but it's not working. I'll show you how to turn it on. Open Mozilla Firefox. Open Mozilla Firefox. Click the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Permissions section. Find Camera and click on Settings next to it. Review the list of websites requesting camera access. Ensure the status is set to Enabled for websites you want to allow. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.